Hello and welcome to another episode of Talking Politics. I'm Nistula Hebbar, political editor of the paper, and your host for this show where we try and go behind the scenes of stories hitting the headlines in domestic politics, both in terms of ideology and as a state with the third largest number of Lok Sabha seats. BJP's victory in West Bengal has made the 2029 Lok Sabha polls a tough challenge for the opposition. For the opposition, that is the India bloc, it means recalibration. With the defeat of the TMC in West Bengal and DMK in Tamil Nadu and the separation of ways and the bitterness that happened between Congress and these two parties, both before and after the polls, it means that the Congress is trying to kind of strike out on its own. The shrinking of regional parties is actually, in a certain way, good news for the Congress, because then that opposition space can be taken in by the Congress. At least that's what they think. And therefore, we are in for some very interesting times, unless some very new political formations come forward and take control, just as they have done with Tamil Nadu, which is the next state that I'm going to be talking about, where it was a blockbuster Monday and a debut electoral performance by film star Joseph Vijay, leader of the party Tamazhaga Vetri Kazhagam, I will call it TVK, and this unseated the DMK and rendered the AIDMK to third place, and that party is now on the verge of splitting over the question of support to TVK in his bid to form the government, because TVK has not hit the majority mark but is quite close to it. The DMK Congress alliance has also broken apart because the Congress has decided that it's going to support TVK with its 5 MLAs. Congress had wanted earlier section of the Congress to support TVK before the polls, but another section had prevailed which wanted to stick around with the old allies, the DMK. So that's where the political situation at this point starts. But why is this such a significant election? Now, there are two reasons. For the first reason, I will only mention a year, a calendar year, that is 1967. Now, that was the last year that anyone other than DMK or AIADMK, the two offshoots of the Old Justice Party and the Dravidian movement of Periyar, formed the government in Tamil Nadu. The seismic effect of this verdict, therefore, is yet to roll out in full. Is it going to be a flash in the pan? Will these parties then regroup and come back to the old gladiatorial bipolar politics? We don't know. But, or is it going to be in the manner of the Mandal 2.0 verdicts that the BJP posted in UP and in Bihar, signaling the end of the horizon of a certain kind of political order, a certain kind of politics, so a politics which now has moved on from the old Mandal umbrella to the consolidation of Hindu votes, of non-Yadav OBCs, non-Jatav Dalits among them, and forced parties like the Samajwadi Party, which were the original Mandal parties, to rethink old Mandal tropes as well. Will this lead to the Dravidian politics 2.0? We don't know yet, but this is truly a seismic election in my view. The mandate for TVK, I said there are two reasons why it's very significant. This mandate was based, of course, on Joseph Vijay's popularity as a film star, but especially among young people who voted in large numbers, traveling from outside the state in many cases to do so. So this is also being looked at as India's first political action by Gen Z, this very young cohort group, which through this particular election seems to have arrived on the political scene. In other South Asian countries, this Gen Z cohort and its political action has resulted in regime changes in Bangladesh, in Sri Lanka, in Nepal. In India, it seems, it has arrived via the ballot box. Its first stop being Tamil Nadu. It's a very, very interesting development in politics, to be sure, technology and demography. These are the two things, two pillars on which uh, poll results are based on. So it's extremely interesting. We are going through huge AI sort of a situation here technologically. We are going through a lot of changes as a society, but also demographically. So it's hugely significant for that reason as well. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.